Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change an Audi A4 wing mirror. First, gather all your tools, including a screwdriver set and trim removal tools. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror part, whether it's the full assembly or just the glass. Working in a well-lit, spacious area will make the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Let's get started. Now, let's tackle removing the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior trim panel that covers the mirror's mounting bolts. Once the panel is off, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors that power the mirror's functions, like heating or adjustment. Finally, unscrew the bolts holding the entire wing mirror assembly to the door frame. Take your time with each step.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. And on another note, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life easier. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new wing mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning it with the bolt holes. Securely fasten the mounting bolts to ensure the mirror is held firmly in place and won't vibrate. Don't forget to reconnect all the electrical wiring for features like heating and power adjustments. Almost there. You're nearly done. Now, reattach the interior trim panel, making sure it snaps securely back into its original position. Before you hit the road, thoroughly test all the mirror's electronic functions, including power adjustments and heating. Finally, give the mirror a gentle shake to confirm its stability and ensure you have clear, unobstructed visibility. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.